Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Glam by Ruhani. So today I'll be creating a look inspired by Aisha Davidson. I guess it's only her name. I saw her look on Instagram on a brand, I guess name as Juvia Palace, something like that. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact name of the brand, but yeah, I'll put the link of the look which I'm creating, by which I'm inspired. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I won't be wearing lenses today as I'm just creating this look for the fun, and after recording and clicking some pics, I'll be removing my makeup. Okay, for my moisturizer, I'm using Palmer's Coconut Water Moisturizer. Let's moisturize it quickly. When I saw her look, I noticed that she has not done any eyebrows. It was all natural. So even I won't do my eyebrows. For my concealer, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade medium. I really liked her look, so I thought of recreating it. Let's see if I could recreate it, or if I could even reach nearly as it was as good as her. So now it's time to set the base. For setting my base, I would be using NYX Perfect Filter palette in shade Rustic Antique, and I'll be taking this shade. And I'm using a fluffy brush to set it. Now as the base is set, let's dive into the look. For recreating the look, I'll be using this palette. It's from NK Makeup, Ocean Eyes. Really pigmented and really beautiful. And reason why I'm only using this palette is because I saw she only used 2 shades of blue and 1 of white, and this palette is perfect for it. She started with dark shade, but thing is that I have shimmery dark shade, but okay. So I'll be taking this dark shade. Now on the same fluffy brush, I'll be taking this light blue shade and I'll be placing it above the dark blue shade, this one. These colors are so pigmented, I tell you, and it's such a reasonable palette. I just love this palette. Okay, now I'll be cutting my crease like halfway, half moon type. I guess that's what it's called, before placing white color, because that's what she did in the video. I'll be taking this small brush and same Maybelline concealer. So I have cut my crease. Now what she did next was she took a different kind of brush. I can find the same brush, and used this blue color on this side of the crease, and she blended it with the dark blue. Something like this. Now for my white shade, for applying the white shade, I'll be using this flat brush and this white color. I guess she used some matte one, but I don't have matte white, so I'll be going with this one. I'm just slightly patting it. This is how it looks. I think I'll be adding a bit white on my brow bone as well. Okay. Now I'll be adding some liner and mascara. I don't know if she used liner or not, but I'll be adding because I think my look looks incomplete without liner. For liner, I'll be using this in color eye gel liner in shade Jet Black. I won't be doing any wing or anything because I like this look as it is really I like this look a lot as it is. So this is how it looks after liner. Now I'll be applying some mascara. And for mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara in Easy Wash. I don't know, but it does not curl my lashes as much as I like it. I really love the Express Volume one, but I'm not a fan of this one as much as I love Express Volume. This is how it looks. Now let's quickly complete my base makeup. For concealing my dark circles, I'll be using this 4-color concealer palette from Forever 52 in shade AC003. And I'll be using this orange shade to cover the dark circles and other dark areas on my face. I'll be blending using the same brush. I broke this brush while shooting my last video. Now for my foundation, I'll be using this foundation from Forever 52. Name is Tender Cream and shade is FM1422. On its side the shade was written Cosmo Latte, I guess, something like that. This is really good foundation. I'll be using same brush. Now for contouring and concealing, I'll be using the same concealer palette from Forever 52. and same brush. I'll be using this sponge as well to blend it nicely. As I use too much concealer, it is not blending. I think I will skip my contouring because I think she did not contour, so even I'll skip because I'm copying her look. For bronzing and blush, I'll be using this pink palette from Sivana and this big fluffy brush. First I'll bronze. Now for blush, I'll be using this peach blush and would mix with pink slightly because this pink is really dark. Now time for highlighter. For highlighter, I'll be using Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold. Really pigmented and really pretty highlighter. Now let's finish the eye makeup. I mean, only lower lash line is left. So I don't remember what she did on her lower lash line. So I'll be just eyeballing it. I'll be taking this tiny brush in dark blue shade. Now I'll put a pop of white on the inner corner. And now time for some kajal. I'll be using same gel liner from Incolor. Now let's pop a bit of mascara and then we'll apply lipstick. She applied sort of nude lipstick and I don't have exact same shade, so I'll be going for this Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade 05. This is only nude or another one which I'm not able to find, which I have. It's sort of pink color, not even nude. So this is the complete look. This is how the complete look looks. I am really loving this. It was my first time I was playing with such deep and bold colors, and I really like how it turned. Thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and do share the video if you like it, and see you next time. Bye. Mwah.